Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to provide liquidity on Uniswap. For that, you will have to open your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type uniswap.org. This will land you on the official website of Uniswap protocol, where you will have to hover over to the top right hand corner and you simply need to click on this launch app button. Once done, you will be landed on this type of page where by default you will be on this swap section. But over here, you need to click on pool in the top. Then you need to click on add position and then it will ask you to add liquidity. For that, you need to select a pair. So you can select the second token which you want to pair it with. After selecting the pair, it will give you the fee tier. So you can select the price range over here. So you can increase or decrease the price range. You can even use this slider in order to change the price range of the current price. Then it will ask you to provide the deposit amount over here. So you will have to enter the deposit amount and then it will show you the conversion rate as well. Now over here you will have to click on the option of the liquidity or the confirm option over here, and then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to add liquidity on Uniswap. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.